Hello, dear friends. All must have geared up for today's T20 World Cup, as you must all be aware, all the sports fans out there, that it's going to kick off. There were a few practice games, so can it happen like this that an event of this magnitude happens and we won't come up with a pre-event show? So, as you must already have guessed, I have my brother K. Ramnath with me, and along with him, we have two students of ours, D. Anit Patra and Sivananda, and both of them are sports enthusiasts just like their teachers, so we'll be getting their inputs as well. So let me start with K. Ramnath, because anyway he'll butt in and he'll kind of what should we say, he'll just the initiative. Okay,
taking
so
the center stage,
yeah,
Right.
that's right.
So before saying anything, sanitizer, okay. ସମସ୍ତେ କହୁଛନ୍ତି wash hands regularly, okay, sanitize, ତାପରେ କ'ଣ get vaccinated. ମୋର ଭ୍ୟାକ୍ସିନେସନ୍ ସରିଲା, ଦୁଇଟା ଡୋଜ୍ ମୁଁ ନେଇଗଲି, ତ ଏବେ ପୁରା ବିନ୍ଦାସ ମୁଁ କହିପାରିବି। ଠିକ୍ ଅଛି ନା? ଟିକେ କ୍ୟାମେରାଟା ମୋ ଆଡ଼େ ଆଣ ବାପା, ସେଆଡ଼େ କ'ଣ ଦେଉଛ? ହଁ ଠିକ୍ ଅଛି, ହଁ ରାଇଟ୍। ହେଲେ ମୁଁ କହିବା ପୂର୍ବରୁ ମୁଁ ଯିବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଛି, ମୁଁ ମାନେ ଜଣଙ୍କ ପାଖକୁ, ସିଏ ହେଉଛନ୍ତି ଆମର ଶିବାନନ୍ଦ ପାତ୍ର। ସେ ସବୁଦିନ ଦୀପ ଜଳାଉଛନ୍ତି, ଆଉ ସେ ମନ୍ଦିରରେ ଦୀପ ଜଳେଇ ସେ ମାନସିକ କରି ଆସିଛନ୍ତି। ଆଗରୁ ଆଡ଼ଭାନ୍ସ ଦେଇଦେଇଛନ୍ତି, ହଁ ଆଗରୁ ମୋର ବାଳ ନେଇଯାଅ ମୁଣ୍ଡ ଉପରୁ, ଆଉ ଇଣ୍ଡିଆକୁ ଜିତେଇ ଦିଅ,
ଇଣ୍ଡିଆର ସର ପେ
ଇଣ୍ଡିଆ କେ ସର ପେ ତାଜ ଆସିବ। ହଁ, ତ ଆପଣ କ'ଣ ଭାବୁଛନ୍ତି କି ଇଣ୍ଡିଆ ଜିତିପାରିବ କି ୱାର୍ଲଡ କପ୍?
ଇଣ୍ଡିଆର ଜିତିବା ଚାନ୍ସ ବହୁତ ଅଧିକା ଅଛି, ବିକଜ ତାଙ୍କର ବ୍ୟାଟିଂ, ବୋଲିଂ, ଅଲରାଉଣ୍ଡ ଫିଲ୍ଡିଂ ପରଫର୍ମାନ୍ସ ମଧ୍ୟ।
ଆଚ୍ଛା ଆଚ୍ଛା।
ତ ମୁଁ ଭାବୁଛି ଇଣ୍ଡିଆ ଆଉ ପାକିସ୍ତାନ ଦୁଇ ଟିମ୍ ଯିଏକି ଫାଇନାଲ ମଧ୍ୟ ଖେଳିବାର ବହୁତ ସମ୍ଭାବନା ଅଛି।
ଆଚ୍ଛା ଆଚ୍ଛା।
ତାଙ୍କର ଦୁଇଟି ଟିମ୍ର ବ୍ୟାଟିଂ ଆଉ ବୋଲିଂ ପରଫର୍ମାନ୍ସ ଫାର୍ ବେଟର ଦେନ୍ ଅଦର୍ସ।
ଏମିତି? ଆଚ୍ଛା, ଏବେ ଯିବା ଆମର ଡନିତ ପାତ୍ରଙ୍କ ପାଖକୁ। ତାଙ୍କ ନାଁ ହେଉଛି ଡି ଅନିତ ପାତ୍ର, ଆମେ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଡନିତ ପାତ୍ର ଡାକୁଛୁ। ଆଉ ଡନିତ ପାତ୍ର, ଆପଣଙ୍କର କ'ଣ ମନ୍ତବ୍ୟ ଏହି ୱାର୍ଲଡ କପ୍ ଉପରେ? ଇଣ୍ଡିଆର କ'ଣ କିଛି ଚାନ୍ସେସ୍ ଅଛି କି?
इंडिया चांसेस तो ऑब्वियसली अच्छी है एज ए इंडियन फैन आम तो कही है इंडिया चांस अच्छी बोली।
अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा।
जदि देखुचे एबर जति फॉर्मेट सब लास्ट मैचेस सब देखी रे मु भाबुची इंडिया और इंग्लैंड कंटेस्ट करे फाइनल ट्रॉफी पे।
ओ इंडिया इंग्लैंड, बिकॉज़ माने
इंग्लैंड रो टॉप ऑर्डर जो फॉर्म रे अछंती।
अच्छा
मस्त अछि, खाली इंग्लैंड रे गोटे प्रॉब्लम अछि जोफ्रा आर्चर और बेन स्टोक्स निजन नथिया जेको बॉलिंग डिपार्टमेंट तांका टिके वीक अछि।
अच्छा अच्छा।
जदि बॉलिंग डिपार्टमेंट स्ट्रांग करचंती तो ऑब्वियसली आसी।
ठीक है।
आ इंडिया तो ऑब्वियसली भलो परफॉर्मेंस देइछे एबे जाय।
इंडिया सबुठ बड़ प्रॉब्लम कोन होले 6 7 8 9 डाउन जाकू बैट करी आसुनी बड़ प्रॉब्लम। से जदि हमर भुवनेश्वर कुमार, वरुण चक्रवर्ती, हमर कोन से जसप्रीत बुमराह आ हमर मोहम्मद शमी खेलबे, तो तांको तो बेटर बैटिंग आमे कर दे पारिबे भाबुछु। बुझिनु ना? आमे खाली
Bumrah and these people did very well in England, I think.
Yes, they were under absolutely no pressure whatsoever. I mean, even if that failed, they would not have been under any pressure. I mean, they would not have been any criticism.
But I guess they all counted. All
Of course, they all counted a lot. We definitely acknowledge that. I mean, never expected Shami and Bumrah of all people to come up with such a stunning performance.
In England, I guess.
In England, against England, even runs were brilliant. Runs mattered a lot. They played the entire session, and India could declare. And within the 2 sessions, India could bowl England out for 40 total. I mean, Joe Root could get dislodged. That's the ultimate kind of surprise. It was a fantastic match, but it was a test match. I mean, it's altogether different matter when it comes to T20. We have to swing the bats very hard, and the bowling is to be. I mean, bowling has to be very pinpoint. The international bowlers will always target the stumps. Okay, it's very difficult to score when you do not have enough batting acumen or room or skills or everything. Very good. So I somehow feel that, pardon me for saying, but England and Australia are having better chances than other teams. I mean, India, like I said, the batting and the bowling departments are mutually exclusive. All those batters who are at the top of the kind of order, they don't bowl. At the same time, the bowlers can't bat. We have basically ले दे के 2 ही ऑलराउंडर्स हमारे पास हैं, एक जडेजा और हार्दिक पांड्या. And Hardik Pandya, it seems, is not bowling. And Jadeja, I'm not sure if Jadeja can do much, because at the time when he comes into the bat, either we will be at a position where even if he fails, it's still okay, or his runs may not be enough to take India over the line.
So will a change in the batting order work?
We do not have enough batsmen to kind of break through. Like we don't have someone who can play reverse sweep at the top of the order, other than say a Ishan Kishan or a Rishabh Pant or a Surya Kumar Yadav. You take these people away, and we do not have. I mean, Virat Kohli is a completely traditional batsman. He doesn't have switch hits or the dabs or the like these things. He doesn't have. Rohit Sharma sometimes tries, but he is not all that at home. Like we have Glenn Maxwell who can do all kind
Like
of
I said,
things.
classic players.
They're all a T20 kind of specialists. Those people. Said about the problem is
Amazon is a mentor.
Amazon is better when we do not have enough material with us. What kind of material?
Well, I guess he has a point in CSK. I think we also felt that probably they don't have enough material, but somehow he took the team over the line. So maybe that particular thing, that non-cricket thing, just as the non-financial things have an impact on the financial statements. So similarly, I guess this non-cricketing factors may ultimately prove the the winner.
CSK won the title primarily because they had batting till number 10. Even Deepak Chahar could have come, and he could have hit ball in the air without any problem. But we do not have that kind of
The
talent.
same thing was there in the previous IPL too, I guess, but they failed.
That's there. I mean, because Ruturaj Gaikwad was the main difference. Ruturaj Gaikwad started.
He
hitting
laid a
hard.
platform, I think,
That's the
every time.
main difference. West Indies ବିଷୟରେ କିଛି କହିପାରିବେ କ'ଣ West Indies କ'ଣ ଜିତିପାରିବେ ପିଟାପିଟି ବହୁତ
ୱେଷ୍ଟ ଇଣ୍ଡିଜ ଫୁଲ୍ ଫର୍ମରେ ସବୁ ଯାକ ତାଙ୍କର T20 ୱାର୍ଲଡ କପ୍ ଆଇଲା ତାଙ୍କ ଫର୍ମରେ ଆସିବେ obviously but ଏବେର ଫର୍ମ ଦେଖିଲା ବେଳକୁ ତାଙ୍କର ମେନ୍ ଇମ୍ପାକ୍ଟ ପଡୁଛି ସବୁ ଯୋଉ ମ୍ୟାଚ୍ ୱିନିଂ ଥାଉଛି ଆନ୍ଦ୍ରେ ରସେଲ ଉପରେ
ହେଲା
ଆନ୍ଦ୍ରେ ରସେଲ ଆଉଟ୍ ଅଫ୍ ଫର୍ମ
ହେଲା
ତାପରେ ବୋଲିଂ ଡିପାର୍ଟମେଣ୍ଟରେ ସେତେ କାହିଁ ଷ୍ଟ୍ରଙ୍ଗନେସ୍ ଦିଶୁନି
ହେଲା ବିଲକୁଲ ତାର ବୋଲିଂ ବହୁତ ୱିକ୍ ତାଙ୍କର ବୋଲିଂ ବିଲକୁଲ କୋଉ ଯଦି ଏଣ୍ଡ ଟୋଟାଲ ବାଡେଇତେ ସେକି ଅପରେସନ ଏଇ ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ ସେଇଟା ହେଲା
But they have this surprise element. But teams will always, teams will be wary of West Indies. They won't be taking them lightly. Don't know what they'll come up with. Okay, once they pull certain things out of the hat, and teams won't be having an answer to this. So that element is always there. They have done these upsets quite a few times, I guess, especially at a World Cup event.
definitely.
And
ନ୍ୟୁଜିଲାଣ୍ଡ କ'ଣ କହୁଛୁ ନ୍ୟୁଜିଲାଣ୍ଡ ବିଷୟରେ
ନ୍ୟୁଜିଲାଣ୍ଡ ବି ବୋଲିଂ ଭଲ ଅଛି ବଟ୍ ବ୍ୟାଟିଂରେ ପାୱାର ହିଟର୍ସ ଲାଇକ୍ ୱେଷ୍ଟ ଇଣ୍ଡିଜ ଇଂଲଣ୍ଡ ଭଳିଆ ନାହାନ୍ତି
ଆଚ୍ଛା ଆଚ୍ଛା
ସବୁ 20 ବଲ୍ 30 ପ୍ଲେୟର ଅଛନ୍ତି ସବୁ
20 ବଲ୍ 30 ପ୍ଲେୟର
20 ବଲ୍ 40 ପ୍ଲେୟର
ଆଚ୍ଛା ତାଙ୍କର କ'ଣ ସେ କି ଆମର ଅଛନ୍ତି ସେଫର୍ଟ ସେ
ସାଇଫର୍ଟ ଅଛି ଗପ୍ଟିଲ ଅଛି ତା ଛଡ଼ା ଆଉ କିଏ ଏତେ ଦୁଷ୍ଟ
ଏତେ ଦୁଷ୍ନାହାନ୍ତି ଆମର ୱିଲିୟମସନ୍ ସେଇ ଟାଇପ୍ର ପ୍ଲେୟର ନାହିଁ 15 ବଲ୍ ପଡ଼ିଆ ପିଲାଟା
South Africa, I think they have dropped Duplessis for non-cricketing reasons. I think they must certainly be reviewing the decision going by Duplessis' performance in the IPL.
They have so many problems, so many non-cricketing problems. They have fatigue and all those things. We just can't take them into consideration either.
Will the jinx continue? The World Cup jinx?
Obviously, because they do not have the time or team to even say trouble India C side. Okay.
Really?
Yeah. Even if you play India C against them, if you pit India C against them,
That's a very costly
definitely. I mean, they don't have enough material at all. Australia, David Warner, Steve Smith, Glenn Maxwell, Stoinis, ମୁଣ୍ଡକର ପ୍ଲେୟର ଯାକ ଅଛନ୍ତି ପୁରା ଆଉ ସେ ବୋଲିଂ ଡିପାର୍ଟମେଣ୍ଟ ସ୍ମାର୍ଟ ଅଛି କମିନ୍ସ ଆଉ
ଅଷ୍ଟ୍ରେଲିଆ ଜାମ୍ପା
ହେଜଲଉଡ୍
ଯେ ଅଷ୍ଟ୍ରେଲିଆର ଯେତିକି ପ୍ଲେୟର ଅଛନ୍ତି ନା ଭାବୁଛି इंडिया कंट्रोल कर दो बैटिंग डिपार्टमेंट इजीली
अच्छा so what about Varun Chakravarti will he feature
नो आई
अच्छा माने
He won't be there in the final 11.
नो ताको रखिଛନ୍ତି କେବ
नॉकआउट
अट्रैक्शन
अच्छा गोटे सरप्राइज
सरप्राइज
अच्छा
सेमी फाइनल एंड फाइनल
अच्छा वाले ଏବେ ତ କିଛି ଛାଡ଼ିବେନି ତାଙ୍କେ ଅଶ୍ୱିନ ଖେଳିବ
आई थिंक खेल
अच्छा
I want to see Ashwin in the playing 11 because if Ashwin will want to bat also
right.
always he bats very well
right he has got a two-dimensional thing and the whole World Cup rush apparently on MS Dhoni, and he can do and do things.
Absolutely.
No one is concentrating on Virat Kohli or Rohit Sharma. Everyone is talking about only
Yes.
MS Dhoni. Okay, very good. So, at the end of
We are absolutely glad to see him back in Indian colours. Maybe in a different role, but MS Dhoni, CSK, MS Dhoni in India, they're just so, closely connected with one another. Once we have him back in Indian colours, and that itself is a cause for celebration actually. He may or may not do anything. I think his presence itself will matter a lot. He'll be like the non-playing captain.
he apparently is going to take all the decisions, and Virat Kohli is going to be like puppet and
I don't think Virat Kohli will mind it.
Absolutely. I mean, going by his statements and whatever we have seen of Kohli,
Yeah.
he's a fantastic man, and I mean, his angry gestures and his reactions in on
Maybe
field is
because of his
just
competitive spirit and all
compared to
that.
spirit. He's like that. I mean, we can't be having a Rahul Dravid in each and every generation. MS Dhoni is a kind of player. Virat Kohli is a completely different kind of player. Both have immense respect for one another, and MS Dhoni and Virat Kohli must definitely have been very happy to see MS Dhoni in the side, because it's going to be भाईचारा जो बोलते हैं, बहुत भाईचारा रहने वाला है, और उम्मीद करते हैं कि जीत जाएगा इंडिया. ओके, जीत गई तेरी इंडिया. ओके, जीत जाएगी हमारी इंडिया. So thank you so much for having watched this, and what do you think, who will win?
Well, I would like India to win, but probably England is the strongest team. Probably. I don't mind. Actually, T20 World Cup, it's like, I think it's more about entertainment than anything else. So it's okay. May the best team win. Okay.
Right.
Obviously, India, support will always be there for India. Heart will always say India, but may the best team win.
Right then. See you. All the best. Jai Jagannath.
जय जगन्नाथ.
Namaskar.